DeepSeek just released DeepSeek Harness, and it genuinely changes how AI agents get built. It went live yesterday, and in less than a day, it flew past 60,000 stars on GitHub, which makes it one of the fastest growing AI projects of the year. And it's completely free. Open source, MIT license, anyone can download it, change it, and even build a product on top of it without asking for permission. So by the end of this, you'll know exactly what it is, what's actually new about it, and how it fits inside an agent operating system right next to Claude, Hermes, OpenClaw. And there's also one tiny line buried in the docs that matters more than the whole launch. Most people scrolled straight past it. We'll get to that. So first, let's get clear on what Harness actually is, because the name sounds technical, but it really isn't. So an AI model is a brain. It can think, but a brain alone can't do anything. It can't open files, can't remember yesterday, can't use tools. The harness around it is everything wrapped around the brain, the hands, the memory, the workspace, the rules. And when you hear AI agent, you're really hearing model plus harness. Claude Code is a harness around Claude. Hermes agent is a harness around other AI models. The harness is where the actual work happens. So DeepSeek building a harness means the biggest open AI lab in China just moved from making brains to making the whole body. And that's the whole shift here. Now, what's actually new about this one? Because there are already a load of harnesses around there. You know, you got Claude, you got OpenClaw, you got Hermes, you got Codex, anti-gravity. Fair question. So if DeepSeek Harness was just another one of those, I wouldn't be making this video. The core idea is this: everything is a plugin, and they mean everything: the model, the tools, the skills, the memory sessions, the sandbox where the agent does its work, the file system, the agent loop itself, which is the part that decides think, act, check, repeat. Even the screen you look at, every single piece can be pulled out and swapped for a different one. Compare that to the tools you use now. Most products are like a sealed car. So you can change the radio station, you can maybe add a phone mount, but the engine is the engine. DeepSeek Harness is a car where you can swap the engine, the wheels, the seats, the steering wheel, and it still drives. If a better memory system ships next month, you can swap that one part. You don't throw the same car away. Someone will ask, well, isn't this just MCP? Good question. No, MCP is one of the things the harness supports, but MCP only standardized tools. It's a plug socket that lets any agent use any tool. Harness takes that same socket idea and applies it to the entire machine. Tools were one plug. Now the model is a plug. The memory is a plug. The loop is a plug. That's the difference, and nobody else has shipped it this cleanly as free open source apart from maybe like Hermes agent. DeepSeek only announced the harness team in May 2026.